Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement tie rod end that fits a variety of Ford trucks, including the 2005 to 2016 F-250 and F-350. So this is the front left outer tie rod, left side being driver's side. And you'll see here that this is the complete outer tie rod. So we have the tie rod body here. We have the ball joint on the end here. It includes a new castle nut here. And we also include a new grease Zerk fitting and cotter pin to lock the castle nut in. The Zerk fitting installs on the bottom here. And after installation, you're going to want to make sure that you hit that with a grease gun. Now, we recommend this tie rod be professionally installed because after the installation, you will need a four-wheel alignment on the truck. If you guys have any questions about this tie rod, whether it fits your truck or anything to do with installation, please feel free to reach out. We'll be glad to help.